Hey everyone, it's Vanel. Today I'm diving into a topic that's essential to every woman, feminine hygiene. Stick around to learn the myths and facts about this well-needed topic. Did you know that nearly 3/4 of women experience a vaginal infection at some point in their lives? It's a startling statistic, right? But don't worry, today we're diving into everything you need to know about feminine hygiene. Think of this as your ultimate guide to feeling fresh, confident, and empowered down there. We're talking about all things feminine hygiene, from understanding your body to taking care of it. So, whether you're just starting your journey or looking for some expert tips, grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's get started. Let's start by understanding what feminine hygiene really means. It's a term that encompasses a lot more than just cleanliness. It's not just about smelling like a field of roses down there, although that's a nice bonus. Feminine hygiene is about taking care of your intimate areas in a way that promotes overall health and well-being. It refers to the habits and products we use to care for our intimate areas. This includes everything from the type of underwear we choose to the products we use during our menstrual cycles. It's about maintaining a healthy pH balance, preventing infections, and simply feeling fresh and confident in our own skin. Hydration and proper cleansing are key components of this. Just like we cleanse and moisturize our faces, our intimate areas need a little TLC too. Regular care can help prevent discomfort and keep you feeling your best. And just like our faces, everyone's skin down there is different. What works for one person might not work for another, and that's perfectly okay. What works for your best friend might not work for you, and that's perfectly okay. It's all about finding what makes you feel comfortable and confident. The key is to find a routine and products that agree with your body. This might take some trial and error, but it's worth it to find what works best for you. Feminine hygiene isn't just a series of tasks. It's about empowerment and self-care. It's about taking the time to understand your body and its needs. It's about understanding your body and making informed choices for your intimate health. Consulting with healthcare professionals can provide valuable insights. And trust me, when you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin, it shows. Confidence radiates from within and affects every aspect of your life. It's about feeling good from the inside out. A balanced diet and mindfulness practices can also contribute to your overall sense of well-being. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you know about your body, the better equipped you'll be to take care of it. Educate yourself and stay informed. So, let's dive in and empower ourselves with knowledge. Together, we can learn and grow. We'll cover everything from daily hygiene practices to tackling those pesky infections and everything in between. No topic is off limits. We're all women here, and we've all been there. Sharing our experiences can help us all feel less alone. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn all about keeping your lady parts happy and healthy. Let's embark on this journey together. All right, ladies, let's get practical. Today we're diving into the essentials of daily hygiene practices that every woman should know. Daily hygiene is the foundation of feminine health. It's not just about looking good, but feeling good and staying healthy. Just like we brush our teeth and wash our faces every day, we need to give our intimate areas the same attention. This helps in maintaining overall hygiene and preventing infections. First things first, gentle cleaning is key. Use lukewarm water and a gentle touch to avoid irritation. Our intimate areas are delicate and sensitive, so ditch the harsh soaps and opt for a gentle pH-balanced cleanser specifically designed for feminine hygiene. This helps maintain the natural balance of good bacteria. Think of it like this. You wouldn't use a Brillo pad on your face, right? The same principle applies here. The same goes for your lady bits. Be gentle and kind to your body. Next up, let's talk about wiping. This might seem basic, but it's crucial. Always wipe from front to back. This simple habit can prevent a lot of discomfort and health issues. This helps prevent bacteria from the rectal area from entering the vagina, which can lead to infections. It's a small step with big benefits. It's a simple habit that can make a world of difference. Now, let's talk undies. The right choice can keep you comfortable and healthy. Breathable fabrics are your best friend. Cotton is a great option because it allows air to circulate and helps keep things dry down there. Cotton is a great option because it allows air to circulate and helps keep things dry down there. This reduces the risk of infections and keeps you feeling fresh. Avoid tight-fitting underwear and synthetic materials like nylon, as they can trap moisture and create a breeding ground for bacteria. Comfort and health go hand in hand. And speaking of moisture, changing your underwear regularly is crucial. Fresh underwear means a fresh start. Change out of sweaty workout clothes as soon as possible, and always wear a fresh pair of underwear after showering or bathing. This simple step can prevent a lot of discomfort. Excessive washing or douching can strip away the good bacteria that help keep things in check down there. Balance is key. By following these simple daily hygiene practices, you can maintain a healthy pH balance, prevent infections, and feel fresh and confident all day long. Remember, your body deserves the best care. Now, let's move on to another important aspect of feminine hygiene, menstruation. It's a natural bodily function that we experience every month, and it's nothing to be ashamed of. But just like with any other aspect of our health, proper hygiene during our period is crucial. First and foremost, choosing the right menstrual products for your flow is key. Whether you prefer pads, tampons, or menstrual cups, make sure you're using the correct absorbency level and changing them regularly to avoid leaks and discomfort. Change your pad or tampon every 4 to 8 hours, depending on your flow, to prevent odor and the growth of bacteria. And remember, never leave a tampon in for longer than 8 hours, as this can increase the risk of toxic shock syndrome, a rare but serious bacterial infection. When it comes to disposal, always wrap used pads and tampons in toilet paper before tossing them in the trash. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before and after handling menstrual products. By practicing good menstrual hygiene, we can stay comfortable, confident, and healthy throughout our cycles. Okay, ladies, now let's talk about some common issues that can pop up down there. Don't worry, it's totally normal to experience these things from time to time, but the key is to know what to look out for and when to seek help. One of the most common issues is yeast infections. They're caused by an overgrowth of yeast in the vagina and can cause itching, burning, and a thick white discharge. The good news is that yeast infections are usually easily treatable with over-the-counter or prescription antifungal medications. Another common culprit is bacterial vaginosis, or BV. It's caused by an imbalance of bacteria in the vagina and can lead to a fishy odor, itching, and a thin, greyish-white discharge. BV is also treatable with antibiotics prescribed by your doctor. Urinary tract infections, or UTIs, are another common issue that can affect women. They occur when bacteria enter the urethra, the tube that carries urine from the bladder to the outside of the body. Antibiotics are usually effective in treating UTIs. We've covered a lot of ground today, from daily hygiene practices to common issues, but when is it time to pick up the phone and call your doctor? Knowing when to seek professional help can make a significant difference in your health and well-being. While many feminine health concerns can be managed with over-the-counter remedies or lifestyle changes, there are definitely times when professional medical advice is crucial. Self-diagnosing can sometimes lead to more harm than good. First and foremost, any unusual discharge or strong odors should send up a red flag. These symptoms can be indicators of infections or other health issues that need medical attention. If you notice a change in the color, consistency, or smell of your discharge, it's best to get checked out. Early detection can prevent complications and ensure you get the right treatment. Severe itching or irritation down there is another sign that something might be amiss. This could be due to an infection, allergic reaction, or other underlying condition. While occasional itching can be normal, persistent, or intense itching that disrupts your daily life is not. It's important to listen to your body and seek help when something feels off. It could be a sign of a yeast infection, bacterial vaginosis, or another issue that requires treatment. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to more serious health problems. Pain during intercourse is another big one that you should never ignore. This pain can be a sign of various conditions, including infections, endometriosis, or other medical issues. Sex should be a pleasurable experience, and any pain or discomfort could indicate an underlying issue like an infection, dryness, or another condition. Addressing these concerns with your doctor can improve your quality of life. Changes in your menstrual cycle are also worth mentioning to your doctor. Irregular periods, heavy bleeding, or severe cramps can be signs of hormonal imbalances or other health issues. If something doesn't feel right down there, don't hesitate to seek medical attention. Your health is important, and getting the right care can make all the difference. So, there you have it, ladies. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding feminine hygiene to tackling common issues and knowing when to seek help. Remember, feminine hygiene is an essential part of your overall health and well-being. By following good practices and being aware of your body, you can maintain your confidence and health. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found these tips useful, please like, share, and comment below with your thoughts or experiences. Remember, we're in this together. Your health is important, and we're here to support you every step of the way. So, go forth, be your amazing selves, and don't forget to show your lady bits some love. See you in the next one.